How are you today? Very good. But how about yesterday? You don't know? Why? First, I just suggest to you our bestseller cocktail here at TGI Fridays. This is the bestseller or bar. This is called the Classic Mojito. But we have our non-alcoholic drink. We have the fresh ripe mango shake. So, what it will be? The Classic Mojito or the ripe mango shake? Ripe mango shake because you do not drink. Okay, that's okay. I just make your ripe mango shake first, and then I'll be back to you. Is it okay? I'll be back. Okay? I'll be back. Promise.